All right, guys, I'm Rob. We're here at Cookeville RV Marine, and behind me is the all-new 2025 Brinkley 3110 Model Z. Let's do a walkthrough. All right, guys, so we're at the front cap of the 3110, and the first thing you're going to notice, all these Model Zs are coming with this Helix Hitch. It's going to make ride going down the road really comfortable. It's a nice thing to have. We have LED lights, so on the front of these Model Zs, you're going to notice these white lights from top and bottom. It looks really sweet in the campground at nighttime. You're definitely going to be able to tell which camper is yours. Now, coming down underneath here, we've got a lot of nice storage for one thing, but nice battery box in here. Your solar controller and your solar switch is all in here for you. But your hydraulic reservoirs over here, this one does have hydraulic landing gear leveling and hydraulic slides on it. So that's what that one's going to be there for you. But really nice space inside this front cap storage. So coming down the camping side of the 3110, really nice. Of course, we have our propane storage, one on both sides for this unit. Really big pass-through, you can see that. Our light switch for the LED lights in there. Plug ups, your TV hookups. You can see you've got a nice shower, quick connect shower with hot and cold water right here, which is nice at the beach. You need to wash that sand off your feet. It's right here beside the entry door, really nice. Inside here, you're going to see controls. You've got two in here. One turns the 12 volt on and off. The other one messes with the solar. So if you need to turn that stuff off, you can. The really nice thing about these switches is that you do have the master power switch and you do have a 12 volt switch. The difference is in those is master switch will turn, you know, the complete camper on and off. 12 volt switch will let you run stuff like slides, hydraulics, leveling, and some of your lights, okay? So over here, coming down the camping side, you've got your nice door with the mow-ride steps going up in there. Those are really nice. Those are the ones that you can flip the dirt off of before you roll them up in the camper. I really like that feature. You've got dual awnings. So one thing Brinkley does for you too is the LED lights under the awning, those are on separate switches. The awnings, those are on separate switches, so you can have as much light and as many awnings out as you want at the same time. Let's check out the off-door side. So we're on the front of the off-door side of this 3110. Now, really cool. So Brinkley does on all the Model Zs, the P4 Nautilus, 3 valves to turn for every situation you want to be in. City water, filling your freshwater tank, and winterizing. It's all done right there. One thing Brinkley does for you is there's a reel back behind here, and this cord is on a reel. So no matter how much cord you need, it's right here for you. Already hooked into the city water, so you can go straight out the bottom with that and straight to your city water connection. You don't have to worry about where your water hose is. Brinkley's got you covered. Really nice situation. Now, one thing you are going to see on all your Model Zs are your electronic gate valves. That's right. We're talking gray and black water. Push of the button, open the trap door, send that stuff on out. So we're not under the camper pulling valves, getting our hands dirty. I really like that feature. Just in case you're wondering, there is manual override gate valves up underneath the underbelly if something was to go wrong. We don't plan on that, but they're there. Furion tankless hot water heater and your Suburban furnace for you right here. Of course, your power cord is going to hook in here. We have 30 feet of power cord from this position here. Our sewer hoses hook up underneath here, and we do have a holder for your sewer hoses all in one nice little area for you here. All right, guys, so we're on the back side of this 3110. Now, look, if the front storage wasn't enough for you, 3110's got you covered on the back side. Look at all of this storage. We've got a nice motion sensor light on this bottom tray, and then this huge big tray that opens from both sides of the camper, not the camping side and the rear of the camper. In here we have a switch for these LED lights up here, a plug up, even heat controlled in here. So if you want to put your cases of water in freezing temperatures back here, hey, we're going to keep it warm. This is a really nice storage space for this camper. All right, guys, so coming inside the 3110, right in front of you at the cabinet, of course, is all your controls. Now, this is really cool. So all of your outside lights, inside lights, a lot of them are done right here. Your main ceiling lights though are on its own switch coming in, so we can quickly turn those on. Don't have to look for them. They are on a dimmer. You'll see that in multiple areas in this camper, which is really nice. I like the dimmer switches. But all of this on this touchpad is also app controllable. So we're talking downloading the app on your phone and controlling all of your slides, your awnings, your lights, all of that from the touch of your phone, which is really slick. Also, you have your max air controls, which is a fan right above your kitchen area. That's done right here, so no climbing on ladders to open your vent or anything like that. All push button controlled right here. So really nice area coming in. Also, you do have a full coat closet coming in. So how many times have we come into a camper and wanted to take off our jacket and all we have to do is throw it on the floor or throw it on the table or something? Well, right here you actually have a coat closet coming in, which is really nice, and then a storage closet over the top, which is cool. And you're going to notice all these cabinets are on soft close, which is really something Brinkley's going to do in all their campers, is soft close, which is really nice. Lots of drawers, countertop space. You can make this whatever you want it to. In my mind, it's going to be a coffee bar, but it does have USB plug-in, so it's really nice to be able to come in, throw your keys, your wallet, your phones, put them right on charge right here too. So it's really neat space. You can make it what you want. Big pantry in this guy, going to have a motion sensed light, and of course we've got a plug up in here. So if you want to those out of sight, out of mind items we want plugged up, we're going to be able to put them in our pantry and keep those charging. Really nice fridge in this, guys. You get the side-by-side Furion 12-volt refrigerator. This is going to pair nicely with that 380 watts of solar you have on top with these Brinkleys. So going down the road, running the fridge, no problem. Truck, solar is going to run it all the way wherever you decide to go. Really nice kitchen, guys. You're going to have a residential microwave in this guy, an oversized 3-burner stovetop, and oven in this guy with drawers underneath. Really nice space. Plenty of countertop space on both sides. We got plug ups and lights in the top up here, so plenty of electricity in the wall there for you too. Now, really nice, this island. So island has lots of storage underneath it. We have a built-in double trash can, pull drawer on top to keep the trash bags in, your paper towel holder. All that stuff fits really nicely in here, so you can keep it all organized. Really nice space. I really like all of this. And look how big this countertop space is. So not only do you have plug ups on both ends and plenty of countertop space to do whatever you want, it has a little flip up table here that you make into a bar. And you can see it's got your bar stools on this island, and they match, you know, the decor of the living room, which is really sweet, really nice. Coming into the living room side though, your TV's on a lift for you. That lift's going to be right up underneath here. Okay, so touch of a button, we can raise and lower our TV. You have an entertaining tray right here. What I mean by that is you have all your plug ups, your USBs for your TV if you want to do a DVD player, cable hookup, and plug ups up here for anything you need TV wise for you there. Fireplace, storage fireplace underneath that, really nice. Now this is an electric fireplace. It does dual as a heater for you, electric heat. Really nice for this living room. You know those cool nights, we can run the fireplace, keep this room really nice and toasty. Now, before I go on around in the living room, in the back here is your bunk beds, your bunk room. This is a really nice space for your kids. All right, going to have a full double over double bunk for you. Really nice space. You can see it's already got the TV up top, so all the stuff the kids want to do is going to be able to do in there. Really nice. I really like that bunk room. Probably one of the best bunk rooms I've seen in a fifth wheel. Now, this couch here, if the bunk rooms aren't enough space, this couch will make a bed for you. Trifold sofa comes out, makes a full-size bed, so 2 more people can sleep here as well if the bunk room don't have enough space for you. So I really like that feature. The friends might bring their friends, who knows. Let's take a look at these recliners. So coming down this side of the living room, you can see we have a couch with side recliner all attached together. Now the end all four recline, by the way, but the end recliners will have heat and massage in them. All right. Also, you're going to have USB chargers in here. But really cool. All of these reclines, we're talking even the middle one, reclines for you. So, you know, if you need to lay out, you can. Remember, all this can go away for you. So you have plenty of space walking down through here, flipping this down, getting this out of your way. But really nice space. You have a wireless charger built in for your phone. If that's not enough, there's 2 more USB chargers inside your storage of your armrest, which is really cool. And these recliners, guys, especially the ones on the ends, really nice. They have the handle pull, so it's really easy. It's a whole lot easier than pulling that ripcord. You're going to like these recliners. So most of the windows in the Brinkley, really nice. So they're all frameless. They're all crankouts. Now, these crank out 6 inches versus a standard 3. So you're going to get a little bit longer crank with these, something I really like. Now, they also have double shades built in. All the exterior wall windows have a double shade in them, which means a sunshade and a blackout shade. And we can go all the way dark, or we can go sunshade, or we can pull those apart and get our full window back. Something really nice. Now the end ones are just going to have the blackout shades in them, but still really nice feature. Something to think about when buying a camper is the blinds. All right, guys, so we're in the bathroom of this 3110, and you can see we have a tri-fold glass door in this shower. Really nice, big space. We've got a shower head up here, front spray, wand spray, everything for you. You can do it all in this shower. I'm 6 foot tall, got plenty of head space. So if you want a camper with a really nice shower, this Brinkley's got it. You're also going to see that it's got a porcelain-based foot flush toilet, toilet paper holder. You're going to have another Max Air fan control, which is in the ceiling there, right by that light switch. Pocket doors in this Jack and Jill system, so going from the bedroom through to the hallway or all the way around, you can get through this bathroom. Really nice vanity, sink area. For you, lots of countertop space on this guy as well. So, you know, that's something to think about also when getting a bathroom, is what the what the bathroom sink looks like, guys. So, you know, being able to put your toiletry items up there is really a nice idea. So we're in the bedroom. So one thing really nice to notice, full size residential queen bed in this north to south facing bed. On your queen bed, one thing really cool is you got your pillows. They're kind of built in the headboard, so we can kind of push those back when making the bed. It looks really nice. We've got push button lights on both sides of the bed, so you can have those little night lights. Underneath the lights, of course, you've got plugs, USBs, USB-Cs built in. Up underneath here, we have switches, so if you don't want to reach up there and turn it on, you can turn it off and on from here. We also have one that does the motion sensed lights underneath the bed, and then this one's going to do that side of the bed light for you. So really nice to have those switches. Now, the lights underneath the bed, that's a two-way switch. If you flip the switch one way, the lights are going to stay on under the bed. If you flip it the other way, they become a motion sensed light. So as soon as you swing your feet over the bed, the lights will come on for you. I really like that feature. So you can have them off if you don't want them on either. So underneath the bed, everybody always wants to see the storage under the bed. So here you go, big box underneath this Brinkley 3110 under the bed storage. Really nice storage space for you. I think you can put everything you want underneath there. Also, just note, really nice mattresses come on these 3110s. So you're going to go ahead and get the bamboo memory foam mattress on this guy as well. So also look at all of this closet space, guys, and we're talking lights built into the hanging bar. Really nice clean light for you. So you're going to be able to get all your clothes in there. Well, at least the wife's are. They're going to get their clothes in there. I don't know, guys, where we're putting ours. But plenty of closet space, guys. Really nice space for you. All soft close on all your cabinets. So plenty of drawer space underneath as well. I think you're going to like the 3110. All right, guys. So if you're interested in this Brinkley 3110 Model Z, any other camper for that matter, don't forget to give us a call or shoot us a text. Visit us online at cookeville RV.com. Of course, remember guys, we're not like those big corporate guys. We're a family owned and operated dealer. We'd love to make you part of the family. Don't forget to like and subscribe.